Okay, I'm playing Bulldozer. I was promised destruction. Other than that, I have no idea what I'm doing. Ah, okay, let's... Oh my lordy lord, this controls like ass. I did it. I'm powerful. What are these controls though? Can I not just... Oh my lord. Oh no. What do you call that? And it's timed? Ah. No. Okay. Hang on. Is there a controls setting? No. We want... Okay, that's as close as it goes. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I gotta take my time because it controls like poop. Where am I? Oh, I was inside of this. Let me out. I'm not aware of what's going on. Ah! Okay, good to know that the game is not friendly. Okay, this is kind of cool. I mean, there's a fair bit of destruction. It's just... the controls are the only thing that bring challenge into this. Ah. I nearly died. Nice. Cool. Whoa. Okay, I just gotta like slow and steady gets you less dead. I think that's how it goes. Okay, that's one of these last barrels. I'm getting somewhere. Yes, I'm powerful. I am the winner. Nice. Let's keep on keeping on. I don't know what those do, but they don't look friendly. Game, please. What is this? Ah, I'm a bird. Okay. Good to know that just explodes you to death. That was a very slow death. No, okay. You're just gonna only do the bottom one. Wow, gee whiz, that's not nice. This isn't helping me. Please. Slowly. You fell the wrong way, but it still worked out somewhat well. Okay, now. Clean. That was risky and dangerous. I could have got hurt, like if I stubbed my toe or something. Whoa. There's a concept of speed now that I'm not a huge fan of. Yeah. Ah. Okay. This is getting super intense. This is like that one time when something strange happened, but then it just happened and that was it. Okay, here we go. No, that's not good. Yeah. No. I fell and died and there was only 3 left. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Die, foul beast. Okay, yes. Yes. I'm powerful. I did it! Nice. We're gonna power through. Wait, what? No, that's cheating. You can't do that. Hang on. I didn't sign up for that. That was some shenanigans. Not tolerated. Okay. We just gotta wait for that pole. That's all. Safety. Or something. Okay, I did it. Don't die. I died, but I won. Oh Off the side with you, foul beast. Okay. We just gotta take our time here. This doesn't really feel like destruction. It feels more like, you know, carefully pushing stuff off an edge, trying not to die. Which is not what I signed up for. I wanted, like, brutal violence and something family-friendly like that. And at least I'm going strong. This is good. Oh, there's 21 levels. I get it. And I must tank on through them. I don't know how I didn't die there. I'm pleased. Okay. This is going good, I think. It's very difficult to control games that are on an angle like this. Yes. Die, last barrel. I am the king. Okay, here we go. No. I see where the difficulty comes into this. Should probably start with the longest ones. Shouldn't I? Okay, wasn't too shabby. Okay. I'm wiggling. Okay, nice. I did it. This little bulldozer kind of reminds me of Wally. You know, from the Wally movie. Ah, wrong way. Let's try that again. Speed. Didn't work. I just died. Okay, even more time than that. I understand. Now, not now. I guess patience, but I'm not very good with patience. Oh, I am. That was a complete and utter lie, but still. I don't want to be good with patience. Patience is mean. Okay, I guess we gotta do that now. You know, work is work. I did it. Okay, 10 levels to go. What? That was on me. Okay, don't die. That's the hardest part done, I think. The hardest part so far, at least. Okay. Sure. Yes. I don't know how that worked so well. Stuff never works out that well for me. Oh, here we go. Wrong way. Pain. Okay. Takes precision and skill. Also a bit of violence. What you poo? Okay. Start off with this one then, since it seems to insist on being a poopy head. You what? That's not very nice. Get out of here. Okay, here we go. Beans. Okay, we did it. That was tough. Intense even. Wait, what? Oh. I understand what I must do. Okay, kill me. Nice. Ow. I gotta get on this side of the barrel. And I gotta push it this way. No. It's not good enough. Just drove off the edge there. Too much pain, no gains. Okay. Off you go, barrel. You poopy face. There we go. That insult made them kill themselves. itself. Okay. What? You just shot me out. Like a bullet in a gun. Or, I don't know. Yeah, I've got nothing. Okay. That one was more smooth than last performance. Speed. Ow. Speed hurts sometimes, you know. Come on, out the way. Pretty sure we all want to go home now. What? You stopped responding to me? Rude. Okay. Come on. Out the way. Okay. This is entirely a terrible run, to be honest, but still, I've made it this far. You have got to be kidding. I say that was a tad rigged. And I say that was, what else can I blame? There was duct tape holding the steering lever, because it's a bulldozer, of the bulldozer, to the left there. Yep, that's it. 100%. Trust me, I'm a credible source. Okay, probably not a credible source, but an incredible source. You know, because I'm pretty cool. Why didn't you stop? There's no brake button. I can't stop you. There's just directions. And I like none of them. Like none of the directions I'm forced to go in. There's no stop. Get out of here, barrel scum. You ruined my day. Please? Thank you. Yeah. Ugh. Out of the way, filthy barrel scum. Remember what I said when I was doing level 19 and suffering through every moment? You know, the thing how I said, I hope level 21 doesn't take me any longer than this? I feel like level 21's going to take me quite a bit longer than that. Than 19, eh? Don't you know? Are you kidding? Am I seriously that screwed? I cannot get to it. There is no time. I had to die there. Okay, out the bloody way, you filthy barrels. Nobody loves barrels. Barrel discrimination all the way. Dozers are cool, barrels are poo. Ah! Barrels wish they could be like boxes, but they're spherical, so they can't be. You know? They're just metal cylinders. They have no redeeming qualities. Also, where's the explosions? I wanted demolition and destruction. Not, you know, gently pushing barrels off of cliffs. If I wanted to watch something get gently pushed off a cliff, I would watch a cartoon from the 80s or something. You know? Like this has no explosions in it. No little pixel explosions. Where are the pixel explosions? I've been robbed. The absolute pillock. The simple poo-poo face. So it's enough shenanigans for like 1 century in this game. And I don't like shenanigans. They suck. They suck ass. That's the nicest way of putting it. Your shenanigans suck. If you cause shenanigans, you're a poopy face. That's right. It's the most advanced insult anyone can ever say. You know that's true because I said it. Okay, here we go. Beans. No. No barrels will remain. Yeah. Okay. Do you mind? Keep it away from the corners. Okay. Get out of the corner. Yes. Just gotta gently tap it down. We did it! We have won! That was agony. Okay, I did it. You're welcome for me playing your game that had alright-ish controls and hurt me. Okay, well they're all locked again. Anyway, that was Bulldozer. A game that was supposed to be about destruction, but quite frankly let me down. If you want to see more stuff like this, feel free to subscribe. If you have any other ideas for games, leave that in the comments. And if you liked it, like it. Till next time, I'm a skedaddle. See ya.